हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 2.3 का 5th क्वेश्चन और उसके बाद मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज के रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस वी आर डूइंग विच आर बेस्ड ऑन रिडक्शन मेथड. So we do applications of matrices here. So let us do with question number 5. Here total cost of 3 TV sets and 2 VCR is 35,000. So we take the cost of TV as X and cost of VCR as Y, so that according to the data 3 TV so it will be 3X and 2 VCR will cost 2Y. उसका टोटल कॉस्ट है 35,000. सो दैट वी आर राइटिंग फर्स्ट इक्वेशन यू आर गेटिंग. उसके बाद द शॉपकीपर वांट्स प्रॉफिट ऑफ 1,000 रुपीज़ पर टीवी. तो एक टीवी पे 1,000 रुपीज़, तो हमने जो कॉस्ट है सो कॉस्ट में ऐड किया 1,000, दैट विल बी सेलिंग प्राइस. एक्स प्लस 1,000 विल बी सेलिंग प्राइस टू गेट प्रॉफिट 1,000 रुपीज़ एंड 500 ऑन VCR. So this is cost price Y, so selling price will be this Y plus 500, and he wants to sell with this profit that 2 TV and 1 VCR, and that revenue he is getting revenue of 21,500. So accordingly we construct the second equation. Once again we'll read the equations. 3 TV and 2 VCR is cost 35,000. The shopkeeper wants profit of rupees 1,000 per TV and rupees 500 per VCR. He can sell 2 TV and 1 VCR and get the total revenue of 21,500. We find cost price and as well as selling price of TV and VCR. So we are taking cost price as X and Y respectively. You are getting these equations. Second equation, this is selling price of TV and this is selling price of VCR. He sold 2 TV and 1 VCR and he is collecting revenue of 21,500. So this is second equation. So we need to simplify second equation. Second equation हम कैसे simplify करेंगे? 2x plus y, this is 2,500. So 2,500 we subtract from the 21,500, so you will be getting 19,000. So thus we are getting first equation this, second equation this. So we put the equations in matrix form. You will be getting 2 by 2 matrix, coefficients 3 2 2 1, xy, right hand side 35,000 and here it is 19,000. We reduce this matrix to lower triangular form by subtracting 2 times of R2 from R1. So R1 में से 2 times of R2 if we subtract, this will reduce to 0 and the matrix will reduce to lower triangular form. 2 times of this we subtract, so 3 minus 4 it is -1 and this is 0. X, Y. See the right hand side 35,000 minus 2 times of this 38,000. So 38,000 and this is 35,000. So we subtract, so it gives us minus 3,000. This is as it is 19,000. 2 1 as it is, second row as it is. Now multiply minus x plus 0 and this is 2x plus y. Right hand side is minus 3,000, 19,000. You will be getting 2 equations. One equation is minus x is equal to minus 3,000, that is x is equals to 3,000, which will be the cost price of TV. 2x plus y is equal to 19,000. Substitute this, So y we are getting is equal to 13,000. See, this is what 6 we subtract from here, 13,000. That is the cost price of TV as well as VCR. Now we want selling price. So selling price of TV will be 4,000, extra 1,000, and selling price of VCR 5,000, we add 13,500 rupees. From miscellaneous exercise, question number 3. See, the question number 3 is the sum of three numbers is 6. We wrote here x plus y plus z is equals to 6. Sum of three numbers is 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add it to the second number we took y. So 3z plus y, that will give us 11. Second equation you are getting. By adding first and the third number, we get number which is double the second number. So in this way, x plus z will give us 2y, and 2y we take in the left hand side. So we are getting third equation. By using matrix method, we solve this. Put the equation in matrix form. इक्वेशंस हमने मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में रखा है. इज अ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट्स. अभी इसको रिड्यूस करना है. सो ये 1 है. सो इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट r1 फ्रॉम r3, so r3 minus r1 will give us, first row there is no change, as it is we write matrix of variables. फर्स्ट रो एज इट इज लिखना है हमको, सेकेंड रो भी एज इट इज लिखना है, नो चेंज 11. थर्ड रो में से फर्स्ट रो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ये 0 होगा, ये -3 होगा, और ये वापस 0 होगा, ये -6. Now already 3 0 we are getting, so simply we multiply matrices. If we multiply it, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, it will be 6 11 minus 6. Second row into column y plus 3z, and third row minus 3y it is. Now equate the corresponding elements. Equate x plus y plus z is equal to 6, y plus 3z is equal to 11, and minus 3y is equal to -6, so that y will be equals to 2. Y is equal to 2, we substitute here. 2 plus 3z is 11, so 3z is 9, therefore z is equals to 3. Y is 2 and z is 3, we substitute here. X plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, so x is equal to 1. मिसलिनियस का ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 अभी हम करते कि एन अमाउंट ऑफ ₹5,000 इज इन्वेस्टेड इन 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. तो हमको ये पता नहीं कि कितना, वो 5,000 में से कितना कौन से इन्वेस्टमेंट में इन्वेस्ट किया है. सो वी टेक दैट एक्स वाई जेड रिस्पेक्टिवली. मतलब 5,000 वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन 3 इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. एक में एक्स अमाउंट, दूसरे में वाई, और तीसरे में जेड. So clearly total amounts will be what? 5,000. X plus y plus z will be equals to 5,000. So therefore we are getting the first equation. फिर इसमें थोड़ा सा corrections है क्वेश्चन में, that we have to note. Instead of 6.7, 7.7, we are taking 6%, 7% and 8%. So that should be the correct. So that correction we should note. इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट में जो इंटरेस्ट दिया है, इंटरेस्ट रेट 6% फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट में, 7% सेकेंड इन्वेस्टमेंट में, और थर्ड में 8%. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी आर गेटिंग टोटल एनुअल इनकम दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 350. सो टोटल एनुअल इनकम ऑन दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट, 6% ऑफ दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट, 7% ऑफ दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट, और 8% ऑफ दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो दिस का टोटल अमाउंट्स विल बी 350. दिस इज गिवन. नेक्स्ट गिवन यहाँ पे फर्स्ट 2 इन्वेस्टमेंट्स में जो अमाउंट्स आ रहा है दैट अमाउंट्स विल बी ग्रेटर दैन द थर्ड अमाउंट, थर्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट, थर्ड income on third investment by 70 rupees. So the next equation is what? If the total annual income from first 2 investments is rupees 70 more than the income from the third, so from that we can get this equation. Last equation will be, this is the total income on first 2 investment and that is more than the third investment by 70 rupees. So accordingly we will get these 3 equations. We can rearrange the second equation like this by multiplying throughout 100. ये इक्वेशन मिलेगा आपको, इसको भी हमने 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो यू आर गेटिंग द इक्वेशन 6x plus 7y minus 8z is equal to 7000. Now we put this equation in matrix form. Matrix form is this. ये दो एलिमेंट्स हम जीरो कर सकते हैं. सिंपली वी सब्ट्रैक्ट सेकेंड रो फ्रॉम द थर्ड रो. थर्ड रो में से एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेकेंड रो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम R3 minus that is R2 will give us first row 1 1 1 x y z, right hand side is 5000 first row as it is, 35,000 second row as it is, subtract 678 0 0, this is what, minus 16, and it will be 7000 minus this row that is 35,000, so that is minus of 28,000. We reduce this to 0, so R2 minus 6 times R1 will give us first row as it is, XYZ, first row as it is 5000. From second row subtract 6 times of R1, 0 1, 6 times of this is 2. This will be, here 6 times of this we subtract, so this gives us 5000 is already minus 28,000. Here 0 0 minus 16. Multiply, so multiplying we will get x plus y plus z, here y plus 2z minus 16z, 5000 5000 and minus 28,000. Now equate this, x plus y plus z is equal to 5000, y plus 2z is equal to 5000 and minus 16z is equal to minus 28,000. Therefore z will be equals to 28 upon 16. We are getting z is equal to this 17. So values of x, y, z are these 17, 1750, 1500 and this. These are the investments on first, second and third investments. Ax is equal to b. A is a matrix of coefficient, x matrix of variables, b is a constants. इसमें first of all we check determinant of A is not equal to 0, that means A is invertible, A inverse exists. So we multiply A inverse like this, so we'll get x is equal to A inverse into b. Miscellaneous exercise का question number, see this third sub question, 5x minus y plus 4z is equals to 5, 2x plus 3y plus 5z is equals to 2 and 5x minus 2y plus 6z is equals to -1. We put the equation in matrix form and we solve it by method of inversion. इक्वेशंस हमने मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखा है. ये होगा मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट्स, मैट्रिक्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स और ये कांस्टेंट्स. सो मैट्रिक्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स, दैट मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट, दैट इज ए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गेट इट्स डिटर्मिनेंट. सो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 18 प्लस 10, 28 प्लस 1 इंटू 12 माइनस 25. Okay, it is minus 13 plus 4 into minus 4 and minus 15, which is minus 19. So that is equal to 51. Determinant of A is equal to 51, which is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. We find all minors and cofactors of this matrix. So cofactor A11 is equal to M11, and which is 18 minus of minus 10, so it is 28. A12 is equal to minus of M12, which is minus of M12. Minor of this element is 12 minus of 25, so 25 minus 12 will write, that is 13. 813 is equal to M13. Minor of this element minus 4 minus 15 minus 19 it is. Then A21 is equal to minus of M21. Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j. ये फॉर्मूला हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Aij is equal to minus 1 आई प्लस जे एम आई जे. इसमें आई प्लस जे अगर ऑड है तो नेगेटिव और इवन है तो ये पॉजिटिव. सो वी आर डूइंग दैट इन दैट वे. A21 इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ M21, विच इज minus 8 plus 6 minus 2. A22 is equal to M22. 2 and 2 इवन होता है, इसलिए 30 minus 20 it is 10. A23 is equal to minus of M23. Then minus 5 plus 10 it is. Next is A3. A31 is equal to M31. A31 is equal to M31. So which is minus 5 minus 12 minus 17. A32 is equal to minus of M32, which is M32. Here 25 minus 8 it is. Eight minus 25 minus 17. Then A33 is equal to M33. (15 plus 2 it is 17. These are all cofactors. We write adjoint of the matrix A, that is adjoint A is transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So A11 28, A12 we write here, after finding transpose you will get here A12 13 minus 19. Then A21 will be here minus 2, A22 is 10 and A23 will be here 5 after getting transpose of a matrix. इसका हम ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करेंगे तो इंस्टेड ऑफ A21 ये सेकेंड रो में नहीं रहेगा, ये सेकेंड कॉलम में रहेगा, ये थर्ड रो में नहीं रहेंगे, थर्ड कॉलम में रहेंगे. -17 -17 and 17. So in this way we are getting adjoint of the matrix. We find inverse of matrix, that is given by A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, which is 1 upon determinant means 1 upon 51, and adjoint is this 28 minus 2 minus 17, 13 10 minus 17 minus 19 5 17. ये होता है इनवर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए. X is A inverse into B. B is a matrix of constants in the right hand side. We multiply this. इसको हम multiply करेंगे so that you'll get X 1 upon 51. First row into column, that is 140. Here it is minus 4 plus 17, 65, 20 and 17, minus of 95, 10 and minus 17. This is 1 upon 51. This is equal to 153, 102 and 102 minus, all are multiples of 51. This is 3 times, this is 2 times and this is again 2 times. So dividing this by 51, 3, 2 minus 2 are values of x, y, z. Therefore x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equals to minus 2. These are the values of x, y, z by method of inversion. So in method of inversion, what we are doing? We are finding inverse of matrix A and x is the required, that is equal to A inverse into B. Fourth sub question, यहाँ पे वेरिएबल्स, दो ही वेरिएबल्स है. पुट द इक्वेशन इन मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म 2 3 3 1 x y, राइट हैंड साइड minus 5 3. दिस इज मैट्रिक्स ए. इसका इन्वर्स फाइंड करना है हमको. तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए इज इक्वल टू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ दिस 2 minus 9 विच इज minus 7. देन ए इन्वर्स फाइंड करने के लिए एडजॉइंट फाइंड करना होगा. एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू, एज इट इज 2/2 मैट्रिक्स, नो नीड टू फाइंड माइनर्स कोफैक्टर्स. ये इनको इंटरचेंज करेंगे, डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स 1 2 और इनका साइन चेंज करेंगे, कीपिंग एज इट इज. दैट इज द एडजॉइंट. देन ए इनवर्स विल बिकम 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए which is 1 upon minus 7 into adjoint is 1 minus 3 minus 3 2. This is A inverse. Then required x y z, that is x matrix is equal to A inverse into B. X is A inverse into B, minus 1 upon 7 1 minus 3 2 into right hand side is minus 5 3. Multiply, we multiply these two matrix, minus 5 और ये minus 9, okay, which is minus 14 15 and this is 6 21 dividing by minus 7. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 2 और ये minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. फिफ्थ सब क्वेश्चन, वी पुट इन द मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म. इसको हम मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में, ये ए एक्स इज इक्वल टू बी. रिडक्शन मेथड से क्या करना है हमको? ए इनवर्स फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गेट डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए. So determinant of matrix A is equal to determinant of this minus 1 which is minus 2. फिर ये 0 है already, it is 0. Then 1 into determinant of this again 0. You are getting minus 2 as value of determinant which is not equal to 0. So this is what determinant of A is equal to minus 2. देन वी फाइंड ऑल माइनर्स एंड कोफैक्टर्स ऑफ सब एलिमेंट्स के माइनस कोफैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे. एज यूजुअल a11 इज इक्वल टू m11 विच इज माइनर ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट. So determinant of this minus 1 that is minus 2. Minor of this element is value of this determinant. Now it is minus, so therefore 1 minus of 0 it is 1. Then a1 3 is equal to minor of this a1 3 it is m1 3 because 1 plus 3 becomes e1, so it is plus only. So minor of this element is 0 minus 1 minus 1. a21 is equal to minus of m21. Minus of m21 means minor of this element. Here 1 minus of minus 1 will be 2. a22 is equal to m22. Minus 1 and minus 1 it is minus 2. a23 is equal to minus of m23. Minor of this element, here 1 minus 1 becomes 0. a31 is equal to m31. Minor of this element, again 0. a32 is equal to minus of m32. Minor of this element 0 minus 1 it is. a33 is equal to m33. Minor of this element 1 minus 0 it is 1. These are all cofactors. Then adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. That means a11 a12 a13 instead of writing in row हम इसको कॉलम में लिखेंगे तो that will be transpose. minus 2 1 minus 1. a21 a22 a23 instead of writing in row second row ये second कॉलम में लिखेंगे, so that is transposed. a31 minus 1 1 ये होगा एडजॉइंट ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स ए. देन इनवर्स ए इनवर्स दैट इज 1 अपॉन डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए. सो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए इज minus 2, सो 1 अपॉन minus 2 और ए एडजॉइंट minus 2 2 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 0 1. This is what A inverse of a matrix. Now X is the required matrix which is A inverse into B. So ये A inverse और ये B matrix. Multiply this. Multiplication is this minus 1 upon 2. First row into column, that is 2 plus 4 6 it will be. Second row into column minus 1 and minus 4 minus 5 and then minus 3. Third row into column, that is 1 0 and 3 it will be 4. That is X matrix. Divide by minus 2, so it gives minus 3. यहाँ पे 4 आएगा और यहाँ पे minus 2 आएगा. So that X is equal to minus 3, Y is equal to 4 और Z is equal to minus 2. फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हमने मेथड ऑफ इन्वर्जन, दैट मीन्स हाउ टू सॉल्व लीनियर इक्वेशंस, सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस बाय मेथड ऑफ इन्वर्जन, ये एक्सप्लेन किया है. होप यू लाइक इट. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.